Alright, what we have here is an NZXT M59 Classic Series computer case. Now this is going to be my first PC build ever. I've got all the pieces for it, and if you want to see what I'm using to build this PC, check out one of my other videos, either unboxing or the actual assembly of this PC. But right now we're going to do an unboxing of this case. And I chose this case because I like the looks, number one, and number two, it has a lot of vents in it to keep it cool. I'm actually going to liquid cool the CPU on this computer, but I do want the vents for the GPU and just to keep the PC running cool. So let's get this started, and we're going to open this box up. Alright, as you can see on the box, this case is advertised as cool, clean, and black. It has a 5-fan capacity. It has wire management, so you don't see all the wires like a rat's nest in there. And it's got a black interior as well. So let's start this up. Cut this open. Pretty excited about this because, like I said, it's my first ever PC build, and I'm anxious to get started on it. There we go. All right. Let's pull the styrofoam off. Quite a big case. Not with any instructions or anything, unless it's inside the case itself. As you can see, here's the front of the case. It's got a big window on the side, and I'll show that to you a little more in depth here once I get it out of the plastic. Alright, up top it has room for 2 fans up top. On the side you see the window on the side. It has a fan already mounted on the case here. On the bottom, that's a vent for the power supply, because the power supply goes on the bottom here. And up front, it's all a mesh here, so it allows for a lot of airflow. And up front you have 2 USB ports, a microphone and a headphone jack, and a SATA port. And up here is where it's got 4 bays for drives, and it's got a fan on the back. So it actually includes 2 fans here. I'm going to mount the CPU cooler there, and let's open this up. Alright, put it sideways here so you can see it a little better. Pull the side off, and as you can see, it has a fan already on it. Alright, this is the inside of the case. Now, this PC case will accept ATX and micro ATX motherboards. It has 4 5.25 inch drive bays here, and it has 7 3.5 inch hard drive bays. 2 of them are here and they face backward, and then 5 of them are down here, and these 5 are actually toolless. So this is actually a caddy for a laptop drive, but it snaps in and you have the rails on the side, and I'm sure it comes with some more rails for it. Okay, on the back it has 7 expansion slots here, And this PC case has a lot of room for fans. You could mount a fan on the front. There is one already included on the rear, this fan. It has room for, room for the hoses for liquid cooling. The liquid cooling I'm going to get is just going to be from the CPU to the heat sink here, and it's going to have an in and out fan here, but I'll show you that at a different time. It has the fan on the side, which I had already shown you, which is the fan on the plexiglass here. And let's see, it has 2 top fans here, and you can go with 140 millimeter on this, which I might do, even though it might be overkill, but I might just get 2 fans for there, just to get a little more circulation going in there. And of course you have room on the bottom, but that's going to be where the power supply fan goes in. And it's all steel construction, and like I said, it's pretty light. The front bezel, of course, is not steel. The front bezel is plastic. And then down here we have a box, and let's see what's in that box. So let's see, get my cutter here. Actually, it's a letter opener with a knife into it. Alright, in the box we have some more rails for mounting the hard drives. We have some spare thumb screws here. Mounting screws. And some more thumb screws here. And here are the instructions. Alright. Right here. Look at that later. Now, you have a cord management system on this. And here's some of the main cords that, for the power cord and the USB. On the other side here, you have the cord management system. Let's pull these twist screws off of here. And I hope you can see a lot of this because it is such a large item and it's hard to show in the picture here, but I think you're getting the idea. There's the other side, and there's your cord management area. You can stick all the cords back here. It'll be out of sight, out of mind, and it'll make the case a lot cleaner on the inside here. So this is the NZXT M59 PC case. And the next time you see this in my video, I'll be building my rig for the first time. So if you like what you see, as always, subscribe, rate, comment, and I'll see you next time.